Hey everyone! Today I'll be sharing a fun craft that you can do with your kids, a rainbow photo hanging. Frankie loves rainbows at the moment, so I thought it would be fun to integrate some photos and her favourite thing. Today we'll be making a rainbow photo hanging. For this project, I printed the photos using Canon's new Selphy Square photo printer. It's so easy to use because you can print directly from your phone or tablet using Canon's free to download app called Selphy Photo Layout. For this project you need the Selphy Square printer and some photos you'd like to print, some cardboard, we used an old recycled box, this rainbow printout, 3 different colours of yarn, some raffia or rope, scissors, and a hole punch. The first thing you need to do is to print the photos you want to use for this project. The next thing to do is to create your rainbow out of cardboard. To do this, I printed a rainbow onto white paper, cut it out and then glued it onto the cardboard. I then cut that out with scissors. You can do it that way, or you can also draw the rainbow directly onto the cardboard. I've included the printout of the rainbow on my website in case you need to use it. Carefully cut the internal lines of the rainbow. I used a Stanley knife to do this because I found it a lot easier than using scissors. Now it's time to start wrapping your rainbow. First, cut a 1 meter piece of yarn and tie it at the bottom of the rainbow. Then, start wrapping it around, keeping it tight and in line. Wrap all 3 sections of the rainbow like this. When you get to the end of that piece of yarn, pull it to the back and tie on a new piece and continue wrapping. It's going to take a little bit of time, so it's something that you're going to want to do together or maybe do while watching TV. Next up, we're going to make the cardboard photo backing. Take the photos that you printed and hold them against the cardboard, cutting out a piece that frames the photo. This photo paper is great because it actually has a sticky back, so peel off the backing and stick it onto the photo frame. Using a hole punch, punch holes in the top and bottom of the frame. Finally, add some fringing to the bottom of your rainbow. You can use yarn, rope, or I use raffia for mine. Now it's time to tie the whole thing together. Find the top middle of the rainbow and punch a hole. Using raffia or rope, connect the rainbow to the photo frame above and then add the next one on top. Add a piece of raffia or rope at the top so you can hang it on the wall. And there you have it, a rainbow photo hanging, perfect for any kid's room or maybe even yours.